Sesame Street has been brought to you today by the letters I and R, and by the number 9. Sesame Street is a production of the Children's Television Workshop. Oh dear.